y'all, and welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we have a basic back workout. We're just going to be doing several moves, and I'm going to be using a pair of dumbbells. If you don't have any, that's totally fine. You can still do this workout without them. And if you are ready, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab those dumbbells, and we are going to begin with single arm dumbbell rows with our left hand. So let's go ahead and come into a lunge type of position here, and we are just going to row the arm up. So let's go ahead and get started. So this workout is just going to be comprised of a few basic back exercises. These are moves that a lot of people do, and a lot of people do them because they are very effective. So we are using dumbbells here. You can grab whatever size weights that you like. You know your body best. You know what your body can handle. Just making sure that you do quality reps each time that we are doing this move. So in our lunge, we want to make sure that our knee does not extend over our toes. You don't want to hurt that knee when we are working on our back. You want to have your back somewhat lifted, and we are pulling that arm in. So we are rowing with that arm, lifting it up and lifting it up. We're pulling in each time. We're doing this move relatively quick, but go at whatever pace you can handle best. I can really feel this in my upper back as well as a little bit of my shoulders. I really like this move. This move is going to be great in getting prepared for summer, especially for wearing tank tops. If you have not checked out the other moves, the other workout videos in my basic workout series, you should totally do so. We have several already. We did arms, we did legs, we did abs, we even did butt. And there's still going to be a few more coming out, so be sure to stay tuned for the rest that will be coming out. Y'all are doing so great. We just have 20 more seconds left. You can do this, and then we will transition onto that other side. You got this. Give me 10 more seconds. You can do it. I know that you can. You got this. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now we are going to be doing single arm dumbbell rows on our right arm. So let's go ahead and come out into a lunge. And let's go ahead and begin on this side. So now we are working with our right arm here. I can really feel this. This is giving our left arm a little bit of a break, which we are going to need for the next move, which is going to be bent over rows. You got this. So just keep pulling that arm up. Be sure that you're squeezing that core. Be sure that your knee does not extend over your toes here. And just really focus on doing some quality reps here. You got this. Just keep pulling up and up. And how do y'all like my socks? They are so cute. They are this really pretty bright blue color, and blue is my favorite color if y'all can't tell. So just keep pulling up and up. You got this. You can do this. If you have to pause anytime, don't feel bad about that. Just make sure that you come back to the workout. You can always pause, grab some water, stretch out your arms. Speaking of stretching, be sure that you stretch after this workout or after you finish working out. I have several stretch videos on my channel, so be sure to check those out if you haven't seen any. You can do this. We have less than 1 minute to go. This is our second move, and then we just have one more after this is done. You got this. You can push through. I believe in you. You can do this. Valentine's Day is coming up in less than a month. Can y'all believe that? I have some of my Valentine's Day decorations out already. I have this super cute bear with a heart behind me on the wall. Then I have this little heart M&M decoration over here as well. And a heart that kind of tipped over on the chest over there. Y'all got this. We got 10 more seconds left. Speaking of Valentine's Day, be sure to stay tuned for when I do another Valentine's Day themed workout. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, coming up. Now we just have one more move left, and it is going to be those bent over rows. So let's go ahead and come into a narrow squat here. We're going to bring those arms out in front of us, and we are just going to pull up. So pull up, squeezing in. So as you can see, I am in a narrow squat here. I'm staying low, and my arms are coming up. I'm really squeezing the shoulder blades together when I pull up. Squeezing those shoulder blades together, really feeling that squeeze there. I'm pulling up, keeping those elbows close into my body. Each time I pull up, I can really feel this move already. My back is going to be feeling this tomorrow. We are really toning our upper back here, getting a great upper back. And if this is your only workout for today, go ahead and do this 5 times through, or you can pair this with the other back videos I have on my channel. I have several. I have a whole playlist dedicated to back exercise videos. If you like working on your back, you should check those out. You got this, y'all. We only have 1 minute left. This whole workout goes by super quick. This is perfect for if you don't have that much time, but you still want to work on getting a nice toned back, and it's still super effective. You got this. You can do this. Keep it up. Keep it up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below letting me know what you thought of this workout. I hope that y'all really enjoy it. I love filming, and I love interacting with all of y'all in the comments, so be sure to leave a comment down below. We got 30 more seconds left. Come on, you can do this. The finish line is almost there. We are almost done. Don't give up yet. You can do this. 20 more seconds. Come on. Push through. Push through. You got this. Keep it up. Now 15 more seconds. This whole workout goes by faster than you know. Before you know it, we're going to be done. All right, count with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we can go ahead and place those dumbbells down because we have officially completed this workout. So a round of applause for you, and thumbs up for you as well. Be sure to leave me a thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you are not already, and be sure to leave me a comment. And I hope you have a great day, and be sure to stay tuned for the other basic workout series that are coming out. Bye.